This fact sounds fake, but it is absolutely true. When you think of Cleopatra, you probably think of ancient Egypt, pyramids, and a world lost to time. The Great Pyramid of Giza was completed around 2560 BC. Cleopatra lived from 69 BC to 30 BC. This means the Great Pyramid was already over 2,500 years old by the time she was born. Now, think about the iPhone. The first one was released in 2007. Cleopatra's death in 30 BC is only about 2037 years before the iPhone's debut. So, Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the iPhone than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. Mind-blowing, isn't it?